Today, I share another interesting recipe with you guys. This is for personal use and also for commercial purposes. Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting one, so let's begin. I'll be using condensed milk. If you are using condensed milk, no need to add extra sugar or milk. If you are not using condensed milk, you can add half cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. To that, I move in with 2 eggs, a cup of vanilla flavor, and water. Take your time and mix till everything is well combined. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, once I'm done mixing, set it aside. In another bowl, I start by sifting all-purpose flour. Always sift the flour before making use of it. Alright, to that I added salt and baking powder. At this point, feel free to add any other dry ingredient of your choice, alright? Mix to combine very well. Now I added 2 tablespoons of margarine. You can also use butter. Take your time and rub in the margarine till everything is well combined, okay? Once that is done, it is time to move in with the wet ingredients. Once I add the wet ingredients, I will gently start mixing. All right, take your time and mix. Once everything comes together, I am going to transfer to the work surface. Transferring to the work surface will give me enough space to mix the dough very well. All right, take your time, mix, knead till you form a smooth dough. Please don't forget to check the description box for the list of the ingredients and the measurements. I will also drop the list at the comment section. Beautiful shout out to you, Treasure, watching from Nigeria, Dorcas from Ghana, Hasina from Madagascar, and Patricia, all the way from Johannesburg, South Africa. Whoops! Aww, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? After mixing, you should have a soft dough just like this one. At this point, you can go ahead and start molding, but I'm going to add colors. All right, adding colors is your choice. All right, now I divide the dough into 3 equal parts. Dividing the dough depends on how many colors that you want to add. All right, I am going for more extra 2 colors. Okay, so I divide into 2. The first one I added red color, but I didn't add it much because I want it to give me a slightly pink color. Mix and you should have something like this. Now before I mix the next color, I'm going to wash my hands so that I don't transfer the pink color to the next color. All right, I'll be going for a green color to the next dough. Then I added some drops of water. Take your time, mix and knead till you form a smooth, vibrant color. This might take you up to 2 to 3 minutes to mix, all right? You should have something like this. Here are the 3 colors that I'm going with, okay? It is time to mold. You don't need any machine to mold. All you need is your 2 palms. It depends on how big you want the chips to be. Now, I take a little, mold with my 2 palms. You should have something like this. If you are with me at this moment, type molding time. At this point, you can solicit for help. Yeah, you cannot do this alone, although it depends on the quantity that you are making, but I solicited for help. My eldest child came around and helped me to do this. Let me be honest with you, it takes time, okay? YouTube algorithm does not care whether you do this alone, okay? Neither will Guinness Book of Record award you for doing this alone. It takes time, okay? Like I said before, it depends on the quantity that you are making. You can also do it alone, all right? After molding, this is what we have. Now you can either air fry, bake, or fry with an oil. I am going to fry. Gently drop these boys into a hot, moderate oil. Once you drop them, allow them to behave the way they want. They are looking so colorful. If you are with me at this moment, type very colorful. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means they're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. Flip them around from time to time. Fry according to your preference, or once they are ready, take it off the heat. Put in a paper towel to drain out the excess oil. Now you are going to transfer into an open tray and allow to cool down completely. Emphasis on completely. The more it cools down, the crunchier it becomes. And that is basically all for this recipe. It turned out so well. Simple and easy to prepare. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. I love it. It turned out so well. Now you can see the texture. Super crunchy, very delicious and sweet. The camera is not doing justice to the color. I don't know why, but it has a beautiful color. Very colorful. Now you can store in an airtight container. It will last up to a week. I guarantee you that. Like I said earlier, this can be used for personal or for commercial purposes. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.